If you haven't watched the decluttering video, watch it first. It is important to declutter before we attempt to organize. Whether at home, school, work, or even your car, we tend to keep way more things than we need. Have you ever paid to have your car cleaned on the inside and a week later it's just as messy as before? Paying to get your car cleaned did not change your habits. This tutorial is to help you create new, better habits to organize your life for good. Tidying up not only improves your physical space, but it also alleviates anxiety and stress due to too much clutter. In addition to lowering stress, organizing may also help you improve focus and self-esteem, lead to more restful sleep, and save time and money. Choose an area of your life you want to organize. It could be your note-taking system, your bedroom, your office, your digital communications, your business receipt. This video is specifically to organize your office. There's a separate video for organizing your study materials. Now plan when you can take 10 minutes each day to work on organization. It needs to be the same time each day to build a habit. For example, it can be the first 10 minutes you sit down at your desk, or the last 10 minutes of your lunch, or 6 p.m. each evening. So here's one example. Monday, gather all of your sticky notes in one location, then sort through them. Ones that are already done, throw them away. The rest of them organize into priority and place them together, such as on a whiteboard as seen in the image here. Tuesday, get all of your files back in their drawers in order. You may want to use a color folder filing system, or you may want to store files alphabetically. Whatever makes the most sense for your workplace, but organized files will save you time trying to find the necessary paperwork in the future. Shred unnecessary paperwork. Wednesday, organize your desk. Now that you can see your desk, remove everything from it. Yes, everything. Clean the surface. As you replace items, clean them too. It is amazing how much dust can collect. Again, shred papers you no longer need. Don't put them back on your desk. I keep all my pens, pencils, and highlighters in one mug on top of my desk. They're quick and easy to reach, but contained in one area. I don't need to buy any more than one mug full, so now I'm no longer wasting money buying new Sharpies because I can't find one. A clean workspace inspires productivity. Thursday, answer unanswered emails. Delete emails you've been saving but no longer need. Organize your emails into folders if you do need to keep them. Try to get your email box to zero. Yes, it is possible. YouTube has a couple videos about zero inbox. Go ahead and Google them. Friday, focus on area around your desk, the garbage can, the printer, the whiteboard. What can be organized so you are more efficient? Saturday, reward yourself for making it through the first week as positive affirmation to continue next week. Also, make a plan for next week. Can you organize folders or filing cabinets, a supply closet, a desk drawer? If you have a plan to continue organizing, you're more likely to keep the organized areas you've already organized in good shape. Set a goal to spend 10 minutes every day for the next 32 days organizing one area of your office. The 32 days will help this become a new habit in your life. Then you can mark off each day with a check mark or star or smiley face when you've completed your 10 minutes of organization. If you run out of areas to organize, you can use these same steps for your home, your car, or other areas of your personal and professional life.